All right, let me turn off my music. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Uminski. If you've not had a class with me before, which I see a lot of unfamiliar names on the roster, which really excites me, I don't really teach any of the first level courses unless you are hospitality and hotel management. If you're culinary, baking, and restaurant management, I don't really teach any of those classes any longer. So this is a second year course or a second semester course traditionally. You can take it in your first semester. So if you are taking it in your first semester, don't stress out. Okay. It just means that you're going to be really well prepared in your other classes. Okay. So my name is Mr. Minsky. This is RSTO 2301, the Principles of Food and Beverage Cost Control. Like I just said, this is a math class. Okay. I know that math is a bad four-letter word that nobody wants to talk about, but I personally love math. So here we go. Let's jump into our first day of class. Anybody feeling like this right now? I know I woke up at 4 o'clock feeling like that this morning. Why are some of you maybe feeling like this? Math, okay. Good. What else? Anybody else? Why you might be feeling stressed or anxious or anxiety? Have some anxiety about? Doesn't have to be this class. It can be anything in general. Not knowing, yeah, the unknown. That is really kind of scary sometimes. Absolutely, a little makes you a little bit anxious, stressed out. Good. How do we typically react when we're stressed out? How do you react? What do you do when you? When I get stressed, I take a nap, or I eat. One of those two things. Anybody else do those? Right? I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna be like, you know what? I can do this later. Let me take a nap right now. Let me calm down. Okay. So my goal for this class is to help you at least understand and appreciate what we are going to be doing as far as math is concerned and how it's going to help you with your career. Okay. So I am recording the session. For those of you who have not had me in class before, I do live record every single one of my classes. I will then post it afterwards. I specifically started that in this class, in the cost control class, because sometimes students needed a reminder of how we work through the steps of the problems, okay? I teach math from a very methodical step-by-step method, okay? And so sometimes you need a reminder of what those steps were. So I will post the live recording of every class. Does that mean you don't have to come to class? Absolutely not. You still have to come to class. Attendance is worth 10% of your grade, okay? But if you don't come to class, you still have access to what we talked about in class that day. So you can go back and rewatch the video if you need to, okay? So I do live record. I will try my best to get them up in Canvas right after class, if not within 24 hours. All right, so we're gonna do a quick introduction. There's quite a few of us, but we are gonna do a quick introduction, okay? And what I would like you to do is share your name, what degree you are in right now. It might be a certificate as well. Your favorite restaurant. It can be San Antonio, it can be anywhere, okay? And then just a fun fact about you. So I'll go ahead and get started. My name is Mr. Uminski. My degree right now, actually, I'm in my second class of my doctorate of education. I'm getting a doctorate degree in organizational leadership with a focus in higher education leadership, which will then hopefully make me be a president of a college someday. So that's the school that I'm in right now for the next 4 years. My favorite restaurant right now has got to be Trapper's Seafood. They have an all-you-can-eat sushi if you sit at the bar. It's about $40 for dinner, but oh my gosh, it's so good. And a fun fact about me is I sing Christmas carols inside Natural Bridge Caverns every year at Christmas time, about 4 nights. So that's a little fun fact about me. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the recording. So that way people, when you go back and watch it again, you don't have, because you won't be able to hear all the introductions.